Let's get ready to rumble!
Well, this round was pretty average. We used the numbers that Commissioner Ziegler gave us, and we chose our success measures, and we had 16% for ROE, so we figured we could probably do well with that in the future. So we'll see how we go from there. Well, round two was pretty much the same as the first round. We did real average with the company compared to everyone else. But this time we actually got to use our own numbers instead of Commissioner Ziegler's, so I guess it's good.
By using our own numbers, we increased the sales budget from 1,000 to 1,500, which helped our accessibility bump up from 35% to 42% and 49% respectively for our two products.
Well, we had our first emergency loan, not looking too good. It was $2 million, so we figured we could probably come back from it. We had a pretty substantial amount of inventory left on hand. How's our sales budget looking?
We actually increased our sales budget, went from 1,500 to 3,000, which helped our accessibility again, bumping it up almost 20%, and looking to steadily increase that in the next rounds.
Well, we took a pretty big hit this round. We had a $14 million emergency loan. As bad as that sounds, it helped in one aspect with our leverage. Our leverage is finally up to 1.8, so we're receiving full credit on the balance scorecard for that, but it's not looking good.
Yeah, we didn't finance properly is what our problem was. We took out a lot of plant improvements and 2 new products came out and we did not finance them properly.
No, we didn't.
Punch him again, punch him now, again, now you're getting punched, punch back, don't let him hit you, get out of the way, punch him! You know what I'm gonna tell you.
I gotta punch him.
You gotta punch him more.
We had a good round this round. We didn't have an emergency loan, so hey, that's always a plus in this industry. Leverage was up, still 1.8, so we got full credit again. Michaela, how was our contribution margin looking?
Our contribution margin was actually the highest out of all teams with a 41.9%.
Awesome.
We kept our budget at 3,000 again for this round, and our low-tech segment, we're up to the 90 percentile, and which is leading the industry, so that's also a plus, and we'll continue that climb up to the top in the later rounds.
And as for our forecasting strategy, we're going to underproduce to try and set the market into a somewhat of a shift and a frenzy. So we will stock out on everything this round in order to do better next round, and hopefully mess up the other companies in the future rounds for their forecasting. So we'll see how that goes.
Rising up, back on the street. Did my time, took my chances.
Oh, get out of here.
Yeah,
We had
okay.
a pretty good round this time. We had about the highest net income, and we didn't have an emergency loan, which is always a plus in this industry.
Best round so far?
Yep. Our return on equity increased from -9% to 30%. So that was pretty awesome. We did a great job.
And not to mention, our contribution margin is still soaring over our competition.
Which leads to our stocks, which almost doubled. We went from $8 to $23, which helps us out tremendously with the stock market.
The analyst report went up also in both profits and productivity due to our strategies we employed last couple rounds. We actually made a killing this round.
Well, we had to take out another emergency loan this round, mainly due to over forecasting and a massive buildup of inventory is left.
Inflatable arm flailing tube man. Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man. Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man.
Hi, I'm Al
Harrington, president and CEO of Al Harrington's Wacky Waving Inflatable Arm Flailing Tube Man Emporium and Warehouse. Thanks to a shipping error, I am now currently overstocked on Wacky Waving Inflatable Arm Flailing Tube Men, and I am passing the savings on to you.
But the bright side is our ROE was the highest in the world at 39%, so that's always a plus.
That's not bad.
What was our accessibility though?
97%.
97%.
Woo!
97%. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad.
Our analyst report also says that our profits went up and our productivity also went up. So altogether, pretty impressive round.
We had a pretty good round.
We'll see what we have in store for round 8 then.
All right. Ding, ding.